Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of my summer FabFitFun box. I know that we've had this, or it's been out for a while, but it's just been sitting in the corner of my room and I thought it was about time for me to start unboxing it. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and get started. It's a big box this month, or for the summer. So the summer box is pretty big. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It always comes with a magazine, and inside it tells you what the products are and how much they cost. I think, yep. So let's see, because I signed up or re-signed up for FabFitFun late, I didn't get to have all of my options. I did sign up for a year, but I only got to choose a few of my items, and there were a couple items that I purchased separately that came with this box. And the two things that I purchased separately is, this does not come with the FabFitFun box, it's the Maya Brenner. It is a silver bracelet and it says love on it. Isn't that cute? I do have a Maya Brenner necklace. It's not on right now because the clasp broke again for the second time. It's so delicate. It has the initials of my kids on there. But I thought that was so cute. I got that. And then I also got the Miami Beach Bum, a vanilla orange like lotion. I haven't opened it yet. Oh, maybe we'll go ahead and open it. Ooh, it leaked a little bit on the side. It's kind of greasy there. It smells good. It does smell like vanilla orange and it's messy, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay, so those are the two things that I purchased that were not with the box. Now I got the Isaac Mizrahi Love Sienna. It's the vase. I did get to choose this as one of the options. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that cute with the blush pink? I'm gonna go put that in my craft room and maybe put a flower or something on there, or put it in my daughter's room. I thought that was really pretty. So I got that. It also came with a hand cream. It's the Spongel hand cream in coconut verbena. This is what it looks like. Should we try it? And this was not an one that I chose. It just automatically came with this box. So let's try it. Smells like coconut. I don't smell the verbena. Is that how you say it? Well, I like it. It's nice and light, yet moisturizing. That's how it feels. Oh, it smells kind of like, yeah, it's coconut. I guess I do smell a little bit of the verbena now. Okay, so it comes with that hand cream. It also comes with a Winky Lux, I can't read that. Winky Lux Unibrow, a universal brow pencil. It comes with a Winky Lux Unibrow, so it's a universal brow pencil. And it has all these colors of people with different shades, and it being a universal brow product, but I don't really believe in universal brow products. So let me go ahead and give this a little swatch. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It says Winky Lux on there. One side is a spoolie, and the other side, oh, it's kind of got that triangular shape. And that's what the shade looks like. Actually, that might work for me, so I'm gonna have to try that. So it came with a brow product. And it also came with an Algenist Elevate Firming and Lifting Neck Cream. I did get to pick this, and being 48 years old, I need to focus on making sure my neck doesn't wrinkle too much. So I did go ahead and pick this up. I know that this brand is good. I haven't really used anything from them, so I'm excited to try this out. And it says massage into cleansed skin or neck. Massage. It says to massage into cleansed. It says massage into cleansed skin on neck and décolleté in gentle upward strokes morning and evening. Use only as directed. So I'll have to let you guys know how this works out, and I'm going to start putting that into my skincare routine. And then we got a Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, and it says Shake Me Up. So this will be good to use after I wash my hair. I don't usually get tangles in my hair, but it's also a heat protectant, so I'm always looking for something like that. I rarely dry my hair or straighten it or anything, especially with the COVID-19. I just usually let it air dry, but if I do use heat products on there, I will go ahead and try this Prep Rally. Let's see, what else did we get? Okay, we got a makeup sponge. This makeup sponge, makeup drop. So I'll be trying to use that as well. This is one that I picked out. This is by Yumi Kim. It's a wireless charging pad. I think that's pretty. I hope that works with my phone. And it's just, the reason I picked this is because it is pretty, and it just lays on it'll lay on my bedside table. And this is what the pad looks like. Isn't that pretty? So hopefully my phone will charge with that. Cross your fingers for me. If not, I'm gonna have to give it to someone else. Hopefully that works for me. Then I also got a silk satin pillowcase. I do like using satin pillowcases, and it looks like a lavender gray. So that's on that side, and then on this side it's more like jersey. But I do like to use this because I usually have my hair up in a bun when I sleep, and I don't want breakage under here because it's always shorter under here than the rest of my hair. So this will be good for me. I do have several different kinds of satin or silk pillowcases, so just one more in the rotation because I do change my pillowcases out more frequently than changing my sheets. Then lastly, I got this. I also picked out. It's a collapsible cooler. It's a collapsible cooler, and the reason I got this is because I go scrapbooking for weekends, and they don't have a fridge down there. So if I want to take like fruits and veggies or like snacks or drinks, because I like to drink bubble water, this is like the perfect size to take snacks in for the long weekend. Yes, so that is my FabFitFun for summer. Coming in the fall, because I did sign up for a year, I hope I get more options to choose from. But I'm always excited to try things from FabFitFun. I will have them linked down below, and with the link you get $10 off your first box. So if you're interested, click on that link below. So I'll have a link down below. I think it's $10 off your first box. I'll leave a link down below, and I think it's $10 off your first box. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.